Well, hello. My name is Ida Marie, and I live in Omaha, Nebraska, which is very central U.S. And I am a licensed mental health and addictions therapist, as well as a certified breathwork facilitator. And what brought me to breathwork about 5 years ago was a desire to find a method of healing that I had not experienced before that could perhaps help me to release childhood trauma, adult trauma, as well as addiction. I struggled with addiction for over 30 years, relapsing and then getting sober and just having intermittent periods of sobriety time around recovery circles, and just kept relapsing. And so what I didn't realize was that I stored a lot of that trauma in my body, and that's why traditional talk therapy was not enough. And I've just come to know and learn that trauma is stored in the body and it needs to be released of the body. I currently am privileged and blessed to be able to practice breath work, high ventilation breathing, or CCB, with my clients, and am seeing amazing results. And it's a gift to be able to see this type of recovery and growth in people that I work with. And I had the opportunity to be trained by Megan, who was superb, and I just love breath work. And I know that this is what I want to do well into my retirement. I know that I will continue doing breath work sessions for myself and for my clients and the community. So I wish you well on your breathwork journey.